Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and we are coming back from picking up that Javelin that we picked up in Virginia. And we're in some little small town, I don't know the name of it. It's in North Carolina. We're just across the border. And saw this cool Corvair. Check this car out. It's got a Virginia of '87 inspection sticker on it. Halifax County. I do not have permission to look at this car. It wants $1,000 for it. I wonder if it runs. And body looks good on it. There's where your gas tank is. Right there. So engine's mounted in the back like a VW. It's an air-cooled engine. All the tires are pumped up on it. We got some rock right here. I may call them up and ask them what they want for it. See, the engine's in the back, so you had the louvers on the trunk lid to cool it. It's got a Virginia tag on it from 1988. Pretty cool little find. It's just sitting here. Just thought I'd stop and show it to you. I always like the way the roof was on these cars. See, it's got like that little overhang. I'm gonna risk it. Yeah, it's an automatic. I'm gonna take a picture of that phone number and give them a call. All right, folks, I just thought I'd stop and look at this thing. So we've got two hubcaps on this side. Got two on this side, okay. All right, folks, Bob out. Just thought I'd stop and take a look at it. Let me know what you think of this old Corvair. I don't even know what year it is. Bob out.